Hello everyone again. I've got my load in my trailer and I go back to Donbass. So now I'm on a road Kiev-Odessa. This is a big highway and good quality of road. So I like be here, I like ride this road, but I'm driving not long distance for this highway. Forward on horizontal line, it's capital of the Ukraine, Kiev. So maybe in 1 or 2 kilometers when I arrive to Kiev, I'm going in first big turning section, use right lane, going right. That is circle road, and I go eastern side. Where is located international airport Boryspil. So I go in that way, and before Boryspil I go again to Circle Road. I should unload this stuff in Slavyansk city. Slavyansk is a neighbor city of my city Kramatorsk. Slavyansk located near Kramatorsk, maybe in 15 kilometers. This is a really short distance, so I'm glad I have unload almost home. So guys, it's dark right now, and I want to show you Ukraine when it's dark. I'm still located in Kiev region. I'm leaving from city Kiev maybe 75 kilometers ago. This is highway Kiev, Poltava, Kharkiv and Donbass. So Donbass region, that actually where I going. Here is Stella of Donbass region. Hello Donbass. Shame because this road so narrow. It's like a country status of road. Should be this 2 lane in one direction and same 2 lanes in other direction, but not. They have just for 1 lane in one direction. So this is East Ukraine, but this road is really good quality. I'm not filming English version when I was in places where really poor quality of road in East Ukraine. So next time when I'll be there, I promise to filming some bad road of Ukraine and show you. Maybe someone of European truckers want to go, or maybe European truckers don't want to go, but should go in Ukraine, and my video show real roads of Ukraine, and people who visit Ukraine first time will not before visiting Ukraine. I guess I'm stop recording video. And thank you for watching, and again I'm repeat, if you know English, if you understand me, please leave comment below and let me know about you watch this video, because this is experimental version of my channel. Actually all my main content it's Russian version, Russian language, so this one it's like experimental from trucking in English version. And I said it again, guys, my English far away from perfect, so I need more practice, and I try to do some practice with my camera to talk by myself to my channel. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye, good luck.